So today I'm going to be installing the Kyogen LED mirror, and this mirror came packaged really well. And in the package it consisted of a couple of things, including the plug, and it also has screws for the mirror and of course the mirror itself. Also, it came with a manual, so please follow the manual when you're doing it. So the thing is, the first thing you have to do is work on the plug. So I'm just unscrewing the plug and we are putting in the base of the plug, the casing first, and then we're going to be connecting all these wires. You want to first unscrew those 3 screws, and after unscrewing them a little bit, then you want to pass in the wire. Remember to pass in the green, the white, and the black in the right place. After that, you want to just screw it down, screw the wire on top, okay, so that everything connects well. Once everything looks secure, everything looks great, and it's in the right place, you want to take the plug casing and screw it back in. So it is time to put the mirror onto the wall, and I've already put the screws in the wall, and I'm just positioning my mirror. I'm removing the cover of the mirror. I like that they covered the mirror so that there will be no scratches. And this is what the mirror looks like. The mirror is a 24-inch round mirror. It has a dimmable mirror set, lighting. It also has a defogger. As you can see, it has a good placement. It has anti-fog, and also you can see how it just looks really nice in my bathroom. I also like that you can get it in different sizes. I got mine in 24 inches, but you can get it in 28, 32, and 36. As you can see, this is a beautiful mirror, and the design is amazing. It's suitable for the bathroom, the bedroom, everywhere, and you can see it's also dimmable, so that is also something that is great. The defogger function may take 5 to 10 minutes to work, but it totally does a great job. As you can see right here, it has totally defogged, and I love it.